to?
Calm down, very friendly.
Okay.
And delicious breakfast.
We have our driver, Mr. Furman or Fermin?
Yes.
Going saan tayo?
The mosque,
The mosque, okay.
which is near the cathedral. So
Okay.
we can just find like, alam niyo na yun? Siya na bahala. Kung saan mag-park. Chill lang tayo mag-ingat.
This is babalik tayo?
No.
One way.
One way. We have a lot of mga
The breakfast was good. Wi-Fi was not good. Good breakfast buffet. Nagpa-try ko lang sweet chili porridge na parang dessert. Sipot sweet chili porridge. Sipot the coconut milk. Chili tapos
ano yan? Parang dessert nila?
oo. Kala ko parang sabaw. Dito, makain dito yung mga yung kanilang street food
Pwede tayo kumain tayo dyan, no?
Parang ating breakfast. Ito parang siyang parang siyang QC.
Ha?
More like QC siya because they have such a big the middle na was dami pang trees ba?
Oo nga. No, despite the urbanization,
How many trees are there on the right?
Yeah, they're very much green.
no, green nga sila eh, no? Kahit nasa peripheral. Ito yung popular nila na Kojik is very popular.
And this is around the time also people are going to work, so
Kitang-kita natin yung kanila, no?
a lot of motors also like the Philippines.
Mas massive dito.